I found this iMac outside in trash, so let me give it a try. Let me first connect this and press the power button, and let's wait. Okay, after waiting some time, here we are. It just shows that missing folder icon, the gray color folder icon with a question mark. So I guess something wrong with the hard disk. Let me quickly find the model details so we can get better understanding about this model. Model details are right here in the bottom. It's A1311 EMC2428, and Google it and you will get the details. Alright, let me try another way to start it again. First, disconnect power cable and everything else. Then press power button and hold it for 10 seconds. Yeah, I tried that, still nothing changed. Okay, next I am going for NVRAM reset. Here is how to do that. Turn on, and you have to press these commands at once. Command key, R, Option and P, all four at once. Yeah, for my case it didn't change anything. Let me see what we can do now. If you want to know how I resolved this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.